In this edition of A Course in Miracles, you will notice restoration of the soul to the prominent position it originally occupied within the lexicon of understanding. The Course was initially given to Helen and Bill to aid them by Jesus himself. As you read this masterpiece, you will come to understand that the soul is not controversial to Jesus at all. It is actually infinitely abundant, eternally vital, and wholly complete. The seeming controversy caused by the use of the term soul could only be within a mind divided against itself, unaware of its reality. The use of terms. This is not a course in theoretical philosophy, nor is it concerned with precise terminology in connection with origins. It is concerned only with atonement, or the correction of perception. The means of the atonement is forgiveness. The structure of individual consciousness is essentially irrelevant because it is a concept representing the original error or the original sin. To study the error itself does not lead to correction, if you are indeed to succeed in overlooking the error. And it is just this process of overlooking at which the Course aims. All terms are potentially controversial, and those who seek controversy will find it, yet those who seek clarification will find it as well.